Hey guys, Ian here with Redline to show you Redline's RE100T-E electric 100-ton shop press. This is an electric over hydraulic unit, obviously, so we'll talk about the power unit first. This is a 60 hertz 110 volt power pack. It is a single phase unit, so not triple phase. It draws just over 19 amps, so you want to hook this up with a 30 amp breaker. I do want to show you, notice that I've got this thing plugged up to a very short, thick extension cord here. That's actually an extension cord you would normally use on your dryer in your house, is what it was advertised for. I just want to tell you, don't hook this thing up to a long, thin extension cord. The extension cord you use for your blowing off your driveway with an electric blower is not going to cut it here. A long, thin extension cord is going to get you a large amp loss going to your motor and will burn up your motor. So don't make that mistake. If we have a look at it here, on-off switch, oil-filled pressure gauge shows you how many tons of force that you're putting on everything. Down here on the bottom, you've got a sight glass, shows you how much fluid is in this unit, along with a temperature gauge, lets you know if you're getting your fluid too hot. Talk about some more of the features of this unit. If I come over here, I'll show you here that you've got a handle right here that's a removable handle. Pull this off, slide it right up here on this side, and as you'll notice here, I rotate this unit, I'm able to slide that head from left to right. Really nice feature to be able to hook up your shop press to press exactly what you want to be able to press. Pretty neat feature. We'll also talk about our optional pin kit here, although, yeah, it'll probably come out even with the pins up real high like that. Over here on the side, you've got your optional pin kit for it. Comes with 8 different pins. These are little spring-loaded pins that just slide right into place into the adapter, just like that, and then pull them right back out. Nothing to it. This unit comes with a gauge here that shows you how many tons you can put on each pin. So if I were to take, in this case, the smallest pin and slide it into the gauge, I could see 2 tons is the maximum amount of force that I can put on that particular pin. So very handy little gauge there. This is your pin adapter. So if I were to take a Allen tool here and pull the existing press head out of this unit, that's what the existing press head looks like. And so if you were going to use this adapter, you would slide it right up in here and then start cranking down on your Allen head right there and put your adapter in for using your different size pins. So I'll put this head back in here, tighten the jam screw back up so it doesn't fall out. Next, let me show you the press plates on this unit. These press plates are substantial, to put it lightly. You got a flat side on one side. If I roll it over, you'll see that you've got another fixture here. You'll find that it has 4 spring-loaded pins on each side, so it can go either way. And the purpose of those pins is, if they're in the down position as you have them here, is put all those pins down like that, and now I cannot push that unit out of the press, and so it's not going to just sling one of those, good Lord, I don't know, 50, 60 pound plates out of this unit at the speed of light. So very important safety feature. Another safety feature is the grate that we'll get to in just a second, but for now, I want to show you the winch system that raises your carriage up and down. So if I want to do, in this case, lower the carriage, you've got these quick pins. You pull out your big press pins here on both sides. And so now, after I pull these out, I'm going to raise the carriage up a little bit to take the pressure off of those other pins. Okay, let's see here. Pull the pin out of the back side. I'm going to lower this pin to the next notch. I'm going to put my pin in place. Do it again to the other side. Pull the quick pin. Pull the big pin. Put it back in. And now that I've done that, I can lower this carriage down onto the large pins. And once those are in place, I'll put these back in. But I want to point out these pins are chamfered on the ends to help make them easy getting them in and out of there. Real nice machine pin. So put that in, take my quick pin, put it in the back side, and then I'll do the same thing to the other side again. Okay. Now, we'll go ahead and do a little demonstration here. I'll push all of my safety pins down into the down position. I'm going to take a 2x4 here, and then I'm going to take another press plate from our 20-ton shop press, and we'll put some pressure on it. I'll go ahead and run it down. I'd like to add that the electric shop presses move quite a bit faster. If you'll get a look at that there, you'll see the head is moving, the cylinder is moving quite a bit faster on the electric than it does on the air-powered ones. The electrics also build a lot of pressure substantially quicker than the air-powered unit. So I'll stop it right there. Just gonna line it up, make sure it's right in the center, it looks good. Now I'm gonna take my guard, I'm gonna raise it up into place, and let's put some pressure on this 2x4 and just see what happens. Okay, so we're at almost 20 tons. 30 tons, 40 tons, 50 tons, 60, 70, it's just going crazy. We probably stopped it at about 85 tons right there. I'll go ahead and bring the unit back up. Shut her down. I want to show you how you lower this unit. The guard, you have a couple little pins on each side right there. Drop the unit down. Re-engage them. Okay. And there is what 85 tons just did to our 2x4 with that steel press plate. It's a pretty awesome press. You can see it at our website, redlinestands.com. You can call us at 901-351-4764 to order. Thanks for watching.